Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 12 and I have no plans tonight. I'm so happy. I did sleep in today instead of waking up to work out, so I am gonna work out now. I'll also probably do a Sonny Angel unboxing. I got some Sonny Angels for my birthday. I'm not gonna unbox all of them just because I know nobody probably really cares other than me, but I'll unbox like one. My friends got me such sweet gifts, so thank you to my friends if you're here. Also really cute cards, so I'll show you those as well because cards are my favorite part of gifts and everyone just like got the cutest cards. So yeah, thank you to all my friends. And what else am I gonna vlog tonight? Oh, I wanted to show you what I bought when we were in Colorado. We went to a couple stores in Golden on our last day and I picked up just like a few little trinkets and some postcards. So I thought I'd show you that. Whenever Connor and I have birthdays or it's a holiday, I always put the cards out on this ledge just for a bit so they're on display. So I thought I'd show you them because they're all so cute. I love literally all of them. This one has like little pom-poms on it too, which is pretty cute. I love a good card. All right, so I did get myself a birthday gift. I actually bought this back in August and I've kind of just been like customizing it since then because now I'm gonna use it for my 30s. I know I could have been writing in it this whole time in the different notebooks, but I just want to wait for some reason. This is from Louise Carmen. It is I honestly don't even remember what the name of this notebook is. But it is a notebook. I got it customized. It says daydreaming on it. And then I added some little charms. I hope you can see these. There's a little lapis lazuli crystal. And then I got this a paper and pencil. It's a little pigeon. And then this is a Sagittarius charm. So this was really fun to customize. I went with green because that's my favorite color right now. I'm assuming it'll be my favorite color forever, but you never know. But they have a ton of colors. And then on the inside, I did get the little pouch. As you can see, it's super shiny and iridescent, and it's purple, which is like my other favorite color. So I just was really drawn to like the iridescent pouch. So you can put stuff in here. Right now, I just have little, like little cards. But anyway, back to the notebook. So I actually have a couple Travelers Factory notebooks in here just because I think they're cuter. And I run into them more often. This is a French brand, and a lot of the shops around me get Traveler stuff in, so it's easy to have. So I got this at Paper and Pencil, and it's just gonna be like a little travel notebook. I already had something like that that's full, so we're gonna document little travel moments in there. And then the rest of the pouch is here. This pen actually Ashlyn got me as part of my birthday gift. There's a little pack of pens, and I really liked this brown one. It wrote really smooth, and it fits perfect in the pen holder, as you can see. And then this last notebook is actually from Louise Carmen. And I just put this little cat making coffee as a sticker on it. And you can change these notebooks out all the time. So this one's just gonna be like day-to-day writing, lists, all that type of stuff. And then at the end, I have another Traveler's notebook, and this is actually sticker release paper, and I just have a bunch of stickers and stamps inside of it. So I can kind of show you which ones I have. I don't know if you can see. There's not that many stickers in here, and then I have some stamps. So that is my journal that I got myself, and I love it. So comment below if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. I also forgot to mention you can customize like the color of the band and like a charm on the front. So I did purple. This might be a little bit too colorful for some, but I personally love it. And it's so fun to customize. The charms, the color of this, the cord, another charm, and then you can pick any of the notebooks you want for inside. I feel like I needed to clarify that. So this is my 30th birthday gift to myself. I have a special guest. I told you I'd open one Sonny Angel because I actually already opened the other ones. So we're gonna open Birthday Bear. Wait, this is actually Birthday Bear. Okay, we can compare these now because you guys saw me open the cake. Connor, do you wanna open it? Connor just got home from work. That's why he's sitting here on the bench with me.
It didn't pop.
No, the only time my Sonny Angel like box has ever opened up like that was during the October vlog, I think, when I opened the secret. Okay, which one do I want? I don't want the yellow one because that's the only other one I have. I would love the pink or the green. Can you see those? I hope it's focusing. Present hug or birthday cake would be the cutest.
I want the purple.
Also like heart hug.
I want the purple or the green.
Okay, purple or green. Wait, didn't I say the same? Oh, I said pink or green. Purple's also cute. It has a balloon, so it's orange, I think. Orange bear.
Orange bear.
Never saw that one coming. So here it is. Can you guys see?
Wait, which comment down below your favorite Sonny Angel?
Yeah, comment down below if you want me to stop making Sonny Angel unboxings. All right, I'm gonna wrap some gifts and watch a movie. And I'm not gonna show you any of the gifts, I think, because everyone would be watching. Like, I think all the gifts I have to wrap would be for people who would maybe be watching these videos. So that's kind of boring. I wish I maybe could show you a gift, but I might not wrap that one tonight. We'll see. Okay, so sorry I'm a little sweaty, but I'm gonna show you what I got when we were in Golden. First of all, this bag is adorable. I'm gonna give a Christmas gift in it. So this is from, what's this store called? The Red Wagon Gift Shop. The person working there was super nice, so I had a good time there. Okay, these are not from there. This is just from like a random gift store. I got 3 postcards, which I'll put in my journal. I already got one in the mail to my grandma. And then from this shop, I got a few random things. So I got this little journal, which I'm gonna give to someone. So this isn't for me. I just thought it was cute. And then I also got these 2 mini decks of playing cards. Like, how cute is that? I did get 2 because I couldn't decide. I'm gonna give one of them to someone else. Also, I apologize for the filming setup. I didn't want to get my tripod out. These are so cute. All right, these are just like not even related to Colorado, but you know what I mean. So I did get something related to Colorado in this little pack. It is an ornament that I think like the owner or someone who works at the shop made. So I thought that was pretty cool. Oh, I forgot I got a magnet for my friend. I'm not gonna show you that, but that is so cute. I forgot about that. I guess the owner made this Red Wagon pottery, and it's a little ornament that has like Denver, I guess just Colorado stuff on it. Like the sign that you see when you get to Colorado, welcome to colorful Colorado. I just thought this was kind of cute, and I love that she made it. So that's the magnet, or ornament. I'm gonna go put it on my tree. And then lastly, I bought 2 things that I'm gonna give to someone at another shop, so I'm not gonna show that. So most of this is stuff I'm giving to people, but I did randomly get some crystals. I don't know why I was just drawn to these, and I haven't bought crystals in forever. This tiny little star, do you see it? Why isn't it focusing? Okay. A tiny little heart, so cute, and then a bigger star. I keep all my crystals in like a little dish, and I think these will look really cute on top. That's my haul. Thank you for watching today's episode of Vlogmas. I'm honestly just gonna keep watching a movie and wrapping presents tonight, so it's not gonna be that interesting, but I'll see you back here tomorrow for whatever happens.